Setting a clear budget is crucial when constructing a guest house. Determine your budget before starting the project to avoid unexpected costs and ensure financial stability throughout the construction process. Researching the construction company is essential. Read reviews and gather information to ensure you choose a reputable company that meets your expectations and delivers quality work on your guest house. Ignoring necessary permits and regulations can lead to legal issues. Ensure all permits are in place before starting construction to avoid delays and potential fines. Proper insulation and ventilation are vital for comfort and energy efficiency. Make sure these elements are addressed in your construction plans to maintain a pleasant environment in your guest house. While aesthetics are important, prioritize functionality and practicality in your guest house design. A well-designed space should be both beautiful and functional for everyday use. The average cost of building a guest house ranges from $50,000 to $150,000. Construction typically takes 3-6 months. Yes, you need a building permit and customization is possible. Common materials include wood, metal, and concrete. A guest house can be used as a rental property and can increase property value. For more information, contact us at 706-786-1768 or visit educolumbus.com.